Hello, crafty family. Welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, over the weekend, my nephew and I went to a couple of neighboring towns over to take care of something. And on our way back, I told him, I said, let's stop at Dollar Tree because I was actually looking for something which I did not find. But we went through the, we walked through the store and I didn't pick up much. But guys, why didn't somebody tell me they have jump rings? Oh my gosh, for 99 cents. These are like a lot. They didn't have gold, but that's okay. These are a lot of jump rings. And I don't know how strong they are. Well, you know what? Let us open these up and see about how strong they are. I wasn't going to open them because I need to put them away right after I open them, but I'll do that. Let us see how strong they are. Guys, did you know that they have jump rings? We go through these like crazy whenever we make, let me put my glasses on, guys. Whenever we make, little dangles or whatever, we always go through a lot of jump rings. So let me see how strong these are. Actually, they're not bad. I really thought they were going to be like super flimsy. Yeah, you know what? They're not bad. They're not bad. Because from all the everyone that sent in the Valentine's Day group swap, and y'all have little dangles everywhere, and I'm like, why don't I do that? I just don't do that. But I told myself I would start because I think they look so cute. But anyway, so they have, and I don't know how much this is in terms of quantity. I can tell you the weight. It's 20 grams worth. So I don't know, but it's a lot, guys, for 99 cents. You might be on the lookout next time you go, just to see if your store has them. I know my store doesn't, but this was a neighboring town. It's probably about 15 miles away. And next time I go, I think I'll get some more and start putting these in Happy Meal because I think it's a good thing to have. Now, another thing that I did buy, and the only reason I've seen them before, I see them all the time. And the only reason that I bought this was because I saw, what is her name? I believe her name is Tony. Her YouTube channel is Craft Purge. She was having a swap as well, a Valentine's Day swap. And somebody bought these and they embellished the bag and put their swap inside. And I just thought that was the neatest thing because you know me, I'm a bag lady. So I bought, they had black. I don't know if they have other colors, but they had black, they had red, and they had an iridescent silver. So I thought I would, I picked up the black and I picked up the iridescent silver. But the silver, it's not fabric, it's not woven, anything like this one is. The silver one is like vinyl, so it's kind of stiff. So I picked up one of the silver and one of the black. So I didn't do anything. I haven't done anything to this one, but I'm going to decorate this and just see what I can come up with on this one. But I did decorate the silver one, guys. I want to show you what I did over the weekend and give you a couple of tips if you're going to go out and buy these little bags. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun. Again, I used the trim that Lisa had gifted me in a swap, and I had this little flower in my stash forever, but the inside was gold, so I just took the center off and I put this little this was also, I still have several of these in my stash. Someone had sent them to me in a swap, so I just glued that down to the center. This right here, guys, is glued down with E6000 because I don't want it to come off because this is vinyl. So, and then I put another rose right here, and then another plastic one with some white leaves right here, and a little doily on the back. And I put a sheer ribbon rose on the front, and then I just cut one of these little pearls off and put it right there in the center. And that is so adorable. And then these were in my stash, of course. And guys, for the trim, I just used hot glue, and it sticks very well because it's vinyl. So your hot glue, it's hot, it's gonna, you know, fuse together. So this is all I did. And then I put some bling on the top and, you know, around the handle. And like I said, the handles are, you know, they're vinyl, so they're not as pliable as the other material. But let me show you this. And I didn't see this at the store, but if you're gonna pick up a bag, make sure that your handles are even. These are not even, therefore it kind of looks funky when it's closed because they aren't even. So you might want to look at that. I looked out that the black one they're even if I close it, they're still even. Okay, so you might want to look at that. And then on the back, okay, so I'm calling her Diamonds and Pearls. She's so adorable. So in this pocket, I just put some cut aparts. I had a paper pad from Michael's from a couple of years ago. I think it was could have even have been 3 years ago. It was called Holographic Dream. And, you know, it was all holographic. All the graphics on there were holographic with a white background. And when I saw this, I knew exactly what I was going to use. So, because I only had a few pages. And that's exactly what I did. I used the holographic paper for this. Now, in this pocket, it's a little makeup bag. So, in this pocket, what I did was I made this little makeup brush right here. And this little compact to go in that pocket right there. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And this little compact, it will bend to make it look like it's open. It's got a couple of little score marks right there. And this is just so stinking adorable. Now, I don't think I've used any of these. I have not used these dies on anything. And I thought this was perfect. Because deep down, I'm a girly girl. Deep down, I am a girly girl. So I thought that would make the front look so cute. So there's the front. Oh, I just love that. Okay, so, and then the back, I didn't do anything to the back, but put the trim and, you know, the trim and the little rhinestones on there. That's all I did. She's a flashy little one. She is so adorable. She is so cute. And then on the side, I made a little tassel for the side. I just put some of this eyelash trim on there, a little thing of pearls, and then this little 1/8 inch ribbon. Then I just put a little piece of bling on the top, and I just tied it to the zipper. And this was so much fun. I did this over the weekend. I was watching my favorite movie, which is Hunger Games. To me, that's my favorite modern day romance movie. And I can watch that thing over and over. So I was here at my television in my bedroom faces my table, but then I have to turn around. My table's right here. My television is behind me. So I have to turn around. I just got a little fold away table and just kept turning around to see what was going on. And I have seen that movie hundreds of times, but I just have to watch. So anyway, for the inside of my bag, I opened it up and I stuffed it with goodies. And look at that. A lot fits in there, guys. So I had still a few more sheets of paper left over. So I cut them down to 6 by 6. And there's, I don't know, maybe 6 sheets in here. I mean, maybe 10 sheets in here. So I cut them down and I put them in the, I went ahead and put them in the bag. And I made some toppers, and it's got, these are 2 small toppers with the bags in there. And then I made 2 bow toppers with the bags in there. And I thought this kind of bling was perfect. So I made 2 more bag toppers. And then I made some bows. I made 2 small ones with the pearls in the center, and then 2 large ones with the other silver bling in the center. And I put those in there. And then I did get I got some trim from my stash, and I put, this is, I don't know, probably about 2 yards of each. So I put some trim in there. And then I also put some pearls in there. I put some bling in there. This bling that I used for the bows. And then this bling that I used for the bag. And then I used, and I had already sealed this, so I didn't put my cut-aparts, the rest of the cut-aparts in there. But you know what? Let me do that right now, because I only wanted one on the front. I wanted the one that says Hello Gorgeous on the front. These are the rest of the cut-aparts. So these are the rest of the cut-aparts. And then I made a shaker. Guys, you know I'm not good at making shakers. But I made, I have this perfume bottle again that I've never used. And I made a shaker, and it's already in the bag, so I don't want to take it out. But it's got seed beads, it's got silver hearts, it's got some tiny pink little flowers, and then of course I put silver glitter paper on the little, you know, squeeze. I don't know what you call it, the little squeeze top. And then for the little logo part, I put it up on dimension, and I put silver glitter paper on there, and then a little bling piece right in the front. And you know, overall it's not bad. You know, it's not bad. I wanted all this with just a touch of pink, not too much, because I always use a lot of pink. So for this, I only used a touch of pink. So let me put this back. I had so much fun with this, guys. I can't tell you how much fun I had. This was so much fun for me. So now what do I do with it? What do I do with it? I don't have space for it. Otherwise I would keep it. So if you've made it this far, let me know if this is something that you would like to win. If you'd like to win this, let me know in the comments line by using the word gorgeous. Okay? If you use the word gorgeous, I'll know that you want to be entered to win this bag full of goodies. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and you have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.